In front of me is TCL 40R, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. All you need to do is go into tab menu and look for one-handed shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, one-handed mode is on. To resize your tiny screen, hold one of its corners and drag it. To change placement of it, click on this icon of an arrow on the left or on the right. To go back to standard size screen, click on this dark area. If you want to access more one-handed mode options, use this gear above the arrow and manage all of those however you want to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!